I would like to begin by asking you about this Indian Institute of Skills, which are three of them in the country. So, can you take us through the objective behind this particular set of institutions, and what is the agenda or what is the purpose which is making them very different from other institutes of skills at the, let's say, at the state level or at the national level?
Absolutely. So really the genesis of the Indian Institute of Skills, and like you rightly said, we have three in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and Kanpur. It all originated, I think, from a vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. In one of his visits to Singapore, where he visited ITE, Singapore, which is known as, a very reputed vocational training center. I think that's where he envisaged this idea that should we not have an IIT, IIM equivalent for skilling? And the whole idea of IIS was born, and invited expression of interest from the industry to set up these world-class skilling institutes, which should be very aspirational for the youth of India. And of course, the late Sri Ratan Tata, God bless his soul, he responded to that and said that this is a nation building initiative and the Tata Group would love to kind of, lead this initiative. And hence Tata Trusts, would set up IIS Mumbai and IIS Ahmedabad. And Tata IIS was then formed with the specific mandate of setting up these two institutes over the next 25 years. Since then, we've kind of, also further refined our focus areas, looking at the national, strategic imperative, saying that, because India has a very clear focus on becoming a global player in the manufacturing sector. And so we said that, why not also align our skilling efforts towards this sector, because the government is already providing a lot of production linked incentives, and this does require a little bit of upfront investment in capex in order to provide a very high quality skilling. So, not every livelihoods focused not-for-profit organization can do this, but we could bring, that expertise to the table. And we are looking at sectors such as advanced manufacturing, which essentially covers the entire gamut from automation, robotics, CNC. We're looking at 3D printing. And then electric vehicles is another sector that we are looking at, which is rapidly growing, not just in India, but globally. Electronics being a third one. And then on the services side, we said that let's look at hospitality and tourism, because post-COVID, that has also seen an exponential growth, not just in revenues, but also in demand for skilled manpower. So that's where we are focusing.